Hello everyone, I just wanted to make a short video about something that I've been trying lately. This is actually gonna be the second time I do it and I had really good results. So I just wanted to share with everybody else in case there was somebody that was going through the same thing that I was going through. So I normally have very curly hair. Um, right now you can't really see and it's not that curly because I had done this one time before. But however, people have described my hair as very tight curls and very kinky curl. So, and with the new styles that everybody's trying now with this like slick back or the pompadours and stuff like that, it's really hard to do that with naturally curly hair. However, I always kept looking for things to try. Sometimes I just try to straighten my hair. They don't always quite look so good. Blow drying just makes it look frizzy. Then I didn't really want to try perm, like doing a chemical strain perm, because it always damages it. So I was just always looking for something, and I did come across this other video on YouTube of somebody trying to use a curly perm to relax your naturally curly hair. Now, I don't think that is as damaging to your hair as a chemical straightening perm would be. So that's why I really like it. And it's really easy so that I can actually just do it myself here at home. And it's way more affordable. I think well, it's like $3.95 or it can be around like $5. That's the price range of it. And it comes with everything you pretty much need to go ahead and do it yourself at home. So let's open this up. Okay, so I've already shampooed my hair. Um, this is how it looks. You can see it's curly. It used to be a lot curlier, but I have already done this process once, like I mentioned before. So it's not as curly as it once was. And then this one, so probably about that much. Okay. And just for the record, I am not a professional, so don't take it to heart 100%. I'm just showing you what I do to get the kind of hair that I like and I can manage with. Okay, so this, you're not supposed to get it on your skin, so you just be very careful. If you have somebody else to help you do this process, you can definitely go ahead and do so. The instructions did say to not get it like on your eyes or your skin at all, and just to clean it off if it did. It also said to go ahead and have your hair moist or a bit wet, not necessarily dripping wet, so that you can go ahead and do this. So here it goes. Now, the trick to doing this is that a curl, this, when you do the rods, um, and you put this on, it'll reshape your hair into the form of the rod. So if you have thick rods, you'll go ahead and get like a big wavy curl. If you have smaller ones, you'll get tiny little curls. However, I was thinking that if there was no rod, that you could just go ahead and relax it or like straighten the curl out, and it did work. I did a little bit of research and it seems like nobody has really done this before, but I did come across this video that was a lot of help. um, and I just want to go ahead and show you guys the results. Now I'll try to find a picture of me with my really curly natural hair, um, so that you guys can see what a difference it made. Now, right now you can't really tell, but my ends are like pretty straight already. So I'm trying to focus mostly on my roots, or like the front of my hair, because once I've actually styled it, I noticed that the back would be straight, but then like I would have this wave in the front. and that's not really what I want. And I do apologize for the lighting. I was trying to get another lamp in here, but it wasn't working. Now, it's not really going on my forehead. Oops, I spoke too soon. So what you like, the trick to this is that when you're applying it, you want to keep the hair as straight as possible. And last time I was combing it while the lotion or the waving lotion thing was on my hair, and I got pretty good results. Now, very important that when you are doing this, it's just like if you were to get a regular perm, but if you're not familiar with that, you just have to realize that you can't really wash your hair within 48 hours, or else the results will not be permanent. Oh, it'll help if you actually put like a rag or like a t-shirt on your neck in case it starts dripping. It's, it also does help to lean your head back like that. That way it doesn't drip towards the front. Just keep forgetting to do that. Now I have dyed my hair and permed it before, so that's why I'm using one of these perms that is for permed or hair that has been chemically processed before, because you don't want to do too much to your hair, then it, I don't know, be extremely dry. So far it's looking pretty good. Like I can already see the wave I had in the front loosening up. And I'm pretty much done applying it to my hair, and I still have like quite a bit left in here. So this, if you can just divide it in halves, you can definitely get a second use out of it. Probably even more, but it's whatever. It's not that expensive anyways. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and finish combing it back. And it's also very important that your hair is not like tangled up or something when you're doing this, because if it is, then it's just gonna kind of shape it in the shape of the knot. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it's just make sure it's nicely smoothed out. Okay, so it's been in my hair for, I don't know, almost 10 minutes. So I'll probably go ahead and just leave it on for 10 minutes more, and I'll be right back. Oh, I think it's really optional for what you're trying to do. If you want to go ahead and put on the bag, last time, I can't remember if I did it or not, but you know what? Just for the sake of it, I'm gonna put it on. Oh, you know what? Let me make sure it's nice and smooth. Okay, so it has been the 10 minutes now. So the instruction says to rinse thoroughly for at least 5 minutes with warm water, and then towel blot each rod thoroughly. I mean, skip the rod part. And then after that, shake neutralizer and thoroughly saturate your hair. And then it says to save, well, it's gonna be different for your perm, possibly if it's different than mine. So just read what it says. Okay, so on I go to rinse my hair. I'm actually gonna take a shower, so I'll see you after the shower. I just got out of the shower, and I have to say that I really like the results, like a lot better than even the first time. I'm not sure if it's because I had already done this once before, so my hair wasn't as curly, and I'm pretty sure that it's probably because of both reasons. Also, that the solution that or the perm that I used today was for a firm curl, which would in essence give you more of a firmer, straighter hair or result. The first time I actually ended up using just a soft curl perm, so it was just not going to give you a lot of curl. It was just going to give you like volume. Still, it did a good job. However, this time, as you can remember from the beginning, my hair was pretty like curly when I went ahead and actually wet it to show you in the beginning. Right now it's straight. See, it doesn't curl up at all, which is awesome. So now I will probably just try to style it like I normally would and show you guys the end result. By the way, it feels really soft after doing that perm. I don't remember it feeling like that the first time I ran with the other perm that I used, but this time I used a different one and I really like the results. So I'll put a link to that particular perm so that you guys can try it if you want. I really like the results and hope you guys enjoy them too. So I'm just starting this channel. I hope you guys will help me out and just subscribe and like the video. If you'd like to see more stuff like this, just let me know. Also, just leave me some comments as to what you'd like me to do or try for like curly hair. And like I said, I will try to find a picture of me with my natural curly hair so that you guys can see the before and after. All right, so stay tuned.